We are discussing anatomy of duodenum, and some part of the anatomy of the duodenum we have covered, and today we will rest of the anatomy of duodenum we will cover. I'm Dr. Jesse, Assistant Professor, Department of Anatomy, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. So we will continue from here we have left. So today we will discuss interior of the duodenum. Being a part of small intestine, the mucous membrane of the duodenum presents circular folds, but they begin in second part and become large and closely set below the level of the major duodenal papilla. In addition to this, the interior of the second part of the duodenum presents the following special features. These are major duodenal papilla, minor duodenal papilla, arch of plica semicircularis. Major duodenal papilla well marked conical projection on the posterior medial wall and situated 8 to 10 cm distal to the pylorus. On its summits open the common hepatopancreatic duct and minor duodenal papilla small conical projection situated 2 cm proximal to the major duodenal papilla. Arch of plica semicircularis and and this is the arch above the major duodenal papilla like a hood. Now we will discuss about the suspensory muscles of the duodenum and we call it ligamentum of Tretis. It is a fibromuscular band which suspends the duodenal jejunal flexure from the right crest of the diaphragm. Its upper end is attached on the right crest of the diaphragm, and the ligament of Tretis fixes the duodenal jejunal flexure and prevents it from being dragged down by the weight of the loop of the small intestine. It also serves as an important landmark in the radiological diagnosis of the incomplete um, complete rotation or malrotation of the small intestine. So we can see here the suspensory ligament of Tretis. This is arterial supply. Upper half of the duodenum develops from the foregut and lower half from the midgut. Therefore, the arterial supply of the upper half is derived from the celiac trunk and that of the lower half from the different arteries of the duodenum derived directly or indirectly from the above two arteries. These are superior pancreaticoduodenal artery and inferior pancreaticoduodenal artery. Superior pancreaticoduodenal artery branch of gastroduodenal artery and inferior duodenal pancreaticoduodenal artery branch of superior mesenteric artery. Each of about two arteries divide into anterior and posterior branches. Respective branch of the superior and inferior pancreaticoduodenal arteries anastomosis to form anterior and posterior pancreaticoduodenal arteries arcades. Each anastomotic arterial arcade gives off a row of vasa recta. The vasa recta of anterior arcade supply the anterior surface, those of the posterior arcade supply the posterior surface of the duodenum. Between two rows of the vasa recta lies the head of the pancreas. Supraduodenal artery of Wilkie. Usually it is a branch of gastroduodenal artery from the celiac trunk and supplies the anterior superior and posterior superior surface of the first part. Retroduodenal branch of the gastroduodenal artery. These are other arteries supply. These are leash of branches of the hepatic artery and from branches from the right gastroepiploic artery and artery from the first regional branch of the superior mesenteric artery. Now, venous drainage, the veins correspond to the arteries, but they are superficial to them and drain into the splenic, superior mesenteric, and portal veins. Lymphatic drainage, these lymph vessels follows the arteries, and most of them drain into the pancreatoduodenal nodes lying along the inner curve of the duodenum. From here, the afferents drain into the celiac and superior mesenteric lymph nodes, ultimately via intestinal lymph trunk into the cisterna chyli. The nerve supply is supplied by sympathetic nerve and parasympathetic nerve. Sympathetic nerve derived from the T6 to T9 spinal nerves, and parasympathetic nerve derived from the both the vagi, thoracic and superior mesenteric plexus. Now this is your assignment. What is the blood supply of the duodenum? And if you have any query, please write it below in comment box and I will resolve very soon. Thank you. Thank you so much.